Hey everyone, welcome to RPA Stuff. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open Internet Explorer. As many of you know, Microsoft has discontinued support for IE in Windows 11 and the latest updates of Windows 10, causing it to redirect to Edge. Despite many attempts to change the settings, we're still stuck with Edge. Many legacy applications run smoothly on Internet Explorer but face challenges on modern browsers. Therefore, IE remains essential. Before we proceed, I want to confirm that my laptop is running Windows 11 and does not have Internet Explorer installed. Even searching for it only returns web page results. To accomplish this, we'll write a brief 3-line VB script. No installation or additional settings are required. Just follow my steps. Open a blank Notepad document and paste these 3 lines of code. Type the URL you want to open at the end of the last line, within double quotes. In my example, I'll use google.com. Now save this document in your preferred location with the desired name. Add .vbs to the end of the file name and save it. That's it, we have our VB script ready. To run the script, simply navigate to the location where you saved the file and double-click on it. You should now see your Internet Explorer window open below. If you're not a coder, the content in this video should be sufficient for your needs. However, if you're an RPA developer, here's how you can preserve your old IE bots. Before you continue, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful to you. I have a string variable containing our desired URL. Next, drag and drop the open action from VBScript package. Now, select the manual script option and paste this function. This function contains the same code but uses the URL as an input parameter. Next, select the run action and enter the function name, which in this case is OpenURL. Provide the input parameter, which is the URL variable. As a best practice, close the VBScript session when you're done. As you can see, our code executed successfully, and we now have our IE window open. For your existing bots, simply replace the open browser actions with these lines of code, and you're all set. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts.